and gentlemen, welcome back, cupcakes to Twisted Koi. Well, I hope everyone had a good one. It was alright here at Twisted Towers. Well, I say it was alright here at Twisted Towers. It was quiet, and I was very sullen. And yes, as the title says, was a bit of a disastrous Christmas, to be totally honest. I woke up Friday morning to come downstairs, let the dog out, and to find all of my fry in the fish tank dead and belly up. Yeah. It turns out that all I can say is that the thermostat on the heater must have gone, because that water must have been in the fucking 30 pluses. I absolutely fucking, even now when I think about it, I absolutely fucking devastated. Absolutely devastated. So yeah, and as you lot know, I show you the good as well as the bad, and yeah, this is as bad as it's got for me in a long while in my koi keeping hobby. Yeah, this one really did knock me for six, but picked myself back up. I'm going to do the last of the cleaning of the tank in a moment, and then I'm going to start transferring some water from the Tosai tank into the tank, and then the remains of what was my fry. I'm not sure whether it's 4 or 5 of them. There's a couple in there from New Forest that I'll get out as well. So yeah, all the ones that somehow keep ending up in the easy pod, I'm gonna net them up, and I'm gonna move them into the fish tank. Purely, one, to stop me having to keep fishing the little bastards out of the easy pod, and 2, even at room temperature, it's going to be double what it is down there. So at least then I can start feeding them again and concentrate on the last couple that I do have. Like I say, I'm just, yeah, absolutely fucking devastated, and to be totally honest, after that kick in the nuts, I can't wait for this year to be over. And this is the reason why you're getting a video before New Year's Eve. And don't forget, folks, you've got to have the right wording on Danny's channel, as well as the right number on my channel for the giveaway. And yes, I know there's been a few people out there that have commented that he's bought another one. Now, the figure for the competition is pre-buying anything else after the video, if that makes any sense. So anything he's got now extra is not part of the tally for the giveaway. But yeah, right, well, I'll get back to you once I've shifted some water, and we'll have a look together of what I've got left. Back shortly. Well, that's the New Forest fish over. So we've got a couple of Deutz, Chagois, one Deutz Lemon Harawaki, and there's some scaled metallic Deutz. These are the New Forest fish. There's the switch. Switch is over here. As the pumps rattling off the thing because the filters aren't on them yet. Should be able to see a bit better now. Looks like we might have a metallic Soragoi. We've definitely got 2 Deutz metallics and 2 scaled metallics. Definitely a metallic achiever over there. So yeah, that's the New Forest fishing. So let's go and see how many I finally ended up with. Forget me bucket. Where's my tea gone? It's out there. So yeah, I hope everyone had a really good Christmas. Schlurp for Skeggy. And yes, I know there is controversy about the fucking... I'm never going to stop. Anyway, we're not here about cups of tea. That's the Tosai tank filling back up, and I think we've got 2, 4, 6, 7, and that's including the one that's already going to my man Kopi. So we've got Ginrin Chagoi there that's going to Kopi. We've got Ginrin Achiba. We've got a nice chocolate Ginrin Chag, a normal Achiba. I think that's a little Chagoi, and another Achiba there. And then we've got the little pale Chagoi. So out of everything, out of the whole project from spring, I honestly don't know what to say. Just, yeah, devastating is an understatement. Anyway, these kiddies are looking for food. I might give them a little sprinkle. Look at the body on that Harawaki now. I honestly think she's going to be my first fish over 70, close to 80, that one. And the Isakahaku. Hoshkin Showa. So yeah, I'm going to get these shifted over, and then I'll get the filters up and running, and then I'll pick you back up. That's them almost topped up, and then we'll go back through there once I've done the filters. Schlurp tea. But yeah, these are a good old munch. Doing a bit of snap. I got the power. Oh. So they're happy. These are almost topped up. As you can see, all the sizes that this tank was designed for. It's just about done. When it gets to the top of that ledge, we turn the top up off. Job's a gudgeon, as Kyle would say. Isn't that right, my nutty northern brother? Oh, that's Makakoi. Schlurp for Skeggy. These things are sent to try us, aren't they? They really are. I can turn you off now. Give you a little bit of snap as well. Well, that didn't work, did it? That's a little bit of munch for them. Job's a gudgeon. temp's supposed to be sitting at 8.1. I bet it's warmer than that. You watch, it'll come out colder. Well, they're eating anyway. No, 8.6. So yeah. Sticky door. I'm going to go and get these filters on and I'll pick you back up shortly. Hey, there we go. All up and running. I'll give them a top up of clean water a bit later. But for the moment, I'm just going to let them settle down and it'll warm up over time on its own. But yeah, 7 is the number. Well, 6 because one's already going to Kopi, so yeah, 6 is the number. Not what I wanted, but hey, such is life. Anyway, folks, I'll be back on New Year's Eve with the draw, and until then, I've been Twisted Koi. You lot have been great, and we'll catch you on the next one.
That's all, cupcakes.